Hi, welcome to Anju Risa channel. I'm Trisa and you can call me Risa. And today we are going to make this beautiful hair bow made out of satin fabric with distorted shape. Stay tuned. I'm using satin fabric for this hair bow, and I think I will use soft purple color. So I will write the size below here in centimeter and inches. First, take the whole fabric, fold it in half, and I'm going to mark the fabric to make the distorted shape. Mark about 2 centimeters here and here, and then draw a line to the corner here. I'm using water erasable marking pen here, and what I like about this marker is we only need to wash it away with water. Let me show you. So if I draw it on fabric and then just use some water to wash it away. Look, this is what I like about this marker, and you can purchase this marker from the description below. And do the same thing on the other fabric. Fold it in half and mark 2 centimeters here and here. Draw a straight line to the corner. We need to cut this away, but to make it easy, I will use this line as the guide for my seam allowance, about 1/2 inches or 1/4 inch. We are going to sew this part. Do the same thing to the other fabric. Sew this part. And for the centerpiece, take a small piece of fabric with the right sides together. Fold it in half and sew this part. And to make it easy, I'm going to mark the center of the fabric. So when I sew, I know right away when to stop to leave the opening. Let me show you later. So I will use this line as the guide for my seam allowance, about 1/2 inches or 1/4 inch. As you can see the mark here, so we leave an opening there. And now we are going to cut the fabric. Just let me cut this first. And on the corner, cut it like this to make the fabric less bulky when we turn the fabric inside out. Do the same thing to the other fabric. Just let me cut this line and cut the corner like this. After we cut the fabric, turn the fabric right side out. If turning fabric is quite challenging for you, you can always use some pointy stuff like pen, pencil, and I use a watercolor paintbrush here, and we just push the corner with this paintbrush. You can get a beautiful corner here. Next, I'm going to take my ironing board. This is actually a regular pillow, and we are going to press our fabric. Pressing fabric is very, very important before we sew it, before we sew the fabric. Next, I always do this to all my hair bows. To make a perfect hair bow, we have to mark the center. so we can have a really nice shape of the hair bow. Just fold the fabric, slide the ruler, and draw the center. Take our sewing needle and sewing thread. So I will sew the hair bow from here to here. Gather the fabric and tie the fabric. Secure the thread. Now you can attach the hair bow with hair ties or hair clip. I think for this hair bow I will use hair clips. So attach the hair clip with hot glue gun, of course. And we are going to attach the center bow. I like to fold it down like this because I really like the center crease, and attach it here and sew this for the last time. I will move my needle to the left so it sew right beside the bow. Cut the excess fabric and flip the fabric. As you can see, I really like the crease to be like this. And to make the centerpiece stays in place, always use the hot glue gun. Just add a dab of glue right in the center here. Okay. And our beautiful hair bow is finished. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this tutorial useful, please give me a thumbs up and share this video. If you don't, please hit the dislike button and tell me about what you don't like. See you in my next video. Bye!